We are gathered here today to celebrate the release of this bird into these skies, that its now fully formed wings may find purchase upon the four winds. If anyone would like to say something, now's the time.
Oh, I'll always remember how you kept me from getting email for a week.
And that chirp you do when you want more bread. Yeah, that one.
And now everyone, please put on your cat masks and finger wings. With these cat masks, we remind you that this place can no longer be your home. But with the fluttering of these wings, we symbolically join your flight into the natural world. Wings, everyone.
Okay, you can go now. Go.
Time to go, little bird. That's just the way it is.
Yay!
Then it's done.
You did the right thing, Abed. Thanks to you, that bird has his whole bird life ahead of him. To fly, meet ladybirds, even start a bird family. You made a difference. Aw, Abed.